All right, this is going to be a quick tutorial video. So this is going to go over importing and exporting packages. And this is going to be great if you're like working on something remote or maybe remote for school. And this will help cut down the amount of storage space. It's some classes or studios might have you actually go in and say like, hey, like we're just going to do folder saved iterations. Well, you know, like kind of like version control and store it at a certain location. That's going to be a lot, especially when like your project folders are like 1 GB or 2, you know, or more. And it's going to take like 30 minutes to upload onto your server or Google Drive or transfer from your USB. It's going to take a while. If you just create a package in general, benefit of that is you're only transferring what you need, right? So this is our blue sphere. It's got a script, blue, and the script basically just says, hi there. It'll transfer to the console. As soon as you push play, it will print it out. As soon as the game starts, it'll say, hi there. So we know it works. It's ready to go. All right. And now that you're ready to go, you need to send it somewhere. You need to send it to somebody. But first thing you need to do is click and drag it down. And this is now prefab. Okay. So you can still edit this, but right now it doesn't need to be. But once you're ready to send it out, of course, make sure it's working. You don't want to send an empty package. It's just kind of disappointing, you know. Just kind of somebody stole your Amazon package. We don't want that now. All right, so click on your prefab, right-click, go to export package. Okay, this is how we're going to send it out. And make sure everything is in there, but make sure you click include dependencies. Okay, so if you need to switch something off, make sure that you test it afterwards. We don't want you to forget anything that may be vital or important, okay? And also, maybe something might have been in there that you didn't want. So, just food for thought. Click on export, and then you're going to go and select the folder, which I already know I know where to go. Give it a name, so call it Blue Sphere. Okay. Hit save, and then we know it's in there, which is great. Location. Okay, we'll go to another project file. Let's see if I got one up running. Awesome. Okay, and in your location where you know, like you want to send it to, right-click, and you want to go to import new asset, import package, custom package. Okay, it's when you right-click on your workspace. Okay, and then remember the location, you know the name. Make sure you've got the right one if you're doing multiple tries of this. You know, the community package file, the size, date, time, and then click open. This window is going to pop up. Make sure you got everything in there that you need. Okay. And I think we're all good here. Let's double check it. Click import. Now it's in there. Okay. So this is a prefab, and we have our script, and it's in there. We have our material, the object, everything associated with it. And then if you need to try it, drop it in. There it is. And does it work? Let's find out. It does work. Okay. So always test it before you send it out. For just a benefit to you and coworkers, fellow students, and that's pretty much it. So it's the way to cut down storage space, make your life a lot easier. Yeah, there we go. So anyways, have a good one.